Action.
Hey y'all! Welcome to today's episode of Situations, where we discuss a situation between an elderly woman and her daughter. I welcome Grandma Pam and her daughter Patricia. Oh my back! Hi everybody! Hi! Mom, they are not supposed to answer you. But hi everyone! Woo! Hi everybody, I am Pam and I'm 69 years old. Yes, I look very good for my age, and this is my young daughter. And she also got 2 children. Sorry, 3. Oh no, 7. Sorry, misunderstanding. So hi everybody, my name is Patricia. I am 30 years old. I have 2 kids. One's name is Astro and one's name is Leah. I don't know where you got 7. Welcome ladies! You may sit down, and thank you for joining me on today's episode. Oh! I love this! It's amazing! It's heavenly! Wow! Look at the audience! They're so big! They're watching me! This is amazing. This is like the best day of my life. Now I get the feeling you guys don't like each other, you're mostly irritated by each other, and you guys can't stand each other. Oh, what can I say about this girl, Patricia? She's my daughter. Yes, my own daughter. She treats me like a piece of trash. And how do you feel about that, Patricia? What your own mother said. So me and my mother, we were getting along. Mother? So me and Pam, we were getting along really nicely when she moved in. Since then, I don't know what happened to her. She's like a freak, and she's rude, and she's just mean, and she's mean to my kids and to me. So I don't know what's going on with her. She's like really kids. Crazy.
Your 7 kids.
My
That husband that leave you alone.
Leah and Astro.
Leah and Astro. What the name is that? Astro.
The question is, folks, is that even true? We will find out after a quick break.
A crappy drawing of a pink bird thing? Ask your niece. Go to Fiverr and get a professionally designed logo for brand recognition. Any style, any budget. Created just for you. Get yours on Fiverr.com today.
So we left off about what Patricia thinks of this situation.
What happened is that your work, your exactly work, took you away from your own mother that hold you in your hands from the very beginning. She gave us everything.
But you don't want me.
Listen to me.
You can't know how that I came out of your vagina, but now you're saying nice and sweet words to me.
Listen to me. You were a fantastic baby. You were always crying. You were always hungry. You were always looking for new stuff. You are so spoiled. But no, that just gave you everything. Your work took you away. You didn't even spend a little bit of time with Astronaut. What's his name again?
Astro and Leah! I think the problem is your mom thinks that your work is taking you away from her. That's why she's rude to you, and that's why you guys don't spend time with each other and be happy camping. Anything you want to say, Mom?
I guess I was a little bit of jealous because you're my daughter. Aww. You're my child.
You're gonna make me cry.
How could you do this to me?
Well, I guess I'm sorry too, because
I do not cry.
it's just like I've been caught up in my work like since I got the job. It's so nice. And like,
so nice, you throw your own mother away. Your own mother.
But you were just rude to me this couple of months ago.
Rude?
You've been really hard on me, okay?
Hard? You were never there to be hard on you.
Aw, you ladies are so cute. And that was today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoy Situations. Let me know if you want to see another episode of Situations, and I'll see you guys soon with another episode. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Situations. I don't know if you guys like that. Do you like that? Because, I mean, Pam and Patricia is just lit. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like this video. And also subscribe to me if you guys want to become part of the emoji squad.
Question of the day.
Would you guys rather be Pam or Patricia? Which one do you like most? Let us know. Patricia.
Bam. Hopefully stop.
Patricia!
Okay, don't.
Patricia, you don't do it. Bye.
Bye. Jij moet alle kanten draaien.
I know we've got 7. This is my
But
mom.
you 6, 7 times.
Tere, ek kan wel. Pachi treats. Pachi treats. Wat? Pachi treats you like a piece of trash.
You were always hungry. You were always looking for new stuff. You are so
Spoiled.
You are so spoiled. How could you done this to me?
Well, I guess I'm sorry too because
I did not cry.
it's just like I've been caught up in my work like since I got the job. It's so nice and like
So nice to throw your own mother away. Your own
but you
mother.
were just rude to me this couple of months.
Rude!
You've been really hard on me